Scrum is considered to be the most powerful framework for implementing agile processes in various iterative projects. Within a short span, Scrum has become the most preferred choice for the teams and the organizations that are interested in implementing agile philosophy. The growing fame of the Scrum framework is fueling an unprecedented demand for Scrum certification. Transitioning to Scrum brings in a new roles and concepts. One such role is Scrum Product Owner. In this video, let's check how to become a certified Scrum Product Owner. Hello everyone. This is Eric from Invensis Learning, and I welcome you all to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to Invensis Learning, and press the bell icon to get the latest updates. Before we start the video, let us look at the agenda for the session. Let us start the session by understanding about the Scrum team. Next, let's understand about Scrum Product Owner. Moving on, we shall take a quick overview of CSPO certification. Next, let's look at the benefits of taking CSPO certification. Followed by the CSPO certification process. Soon after that, let's look at job roles that can take up CSPO certification. Further, we shall know about certification validity. Moving on, we shall understand the salary inside of a CSPO certified professional. And lastly, let's shall conclude the session by knowing about the benefits of taking CSPO certification with Invensis Learning. Let us start our session by understanding what Scrum is, and the different job roles that come under Scrum. According to Scrum Guide, Scrum is defined as a framework within which people can address complex and adaptive problems, while productively and creatively delivering products of highest possible value. Scrum, being a lightweight agile framework, can be used to handle iterative and incremental projects. Scrum is defined by 3 roles. They are as mentioned below. Product Owner. Product Owner is responsible for maximizing the product value resulting from teamwork. Scrum Master. Scrum Master is responsible for assisting the team members in understanding Scrum values, rules, theory, practices, and values. Development Team. Development Team comprises cross-disciplinary teams who do the hands-on work of developing and testing the product put forth by the product owner. Considering from a business perspective, the role of the product owner in a Scrum team is quite essential. They are responsible for making any business decisions related to the product. Attaining Scrum certifications are essential for your career advancement. One such popular certification that helps you to boost your career is Certified Scrum Product Owner. Certified Scrum Product Owner certification is becoming quite popular in the current scenario. This certification provides a thorough understanding of a product owner in an agile team. However, this certification merely not teaches the basics and provides an overview of real-world problems faced by a product owner, such as release planning, stakeholder conflicts, and requirements. So, let's explore more on Scrum Product Owner, and how to become a certified Scrum Product Owner professional. This slide will explain more about Scrum Product Owner and their responsibilities. So now the question is, who is a Scrum Product Owner? A product owner in a Scrum team is accountable for maximizing the product value resulting from the development teamwork. The product owner accomplishes the task considering various factors, such as the business stakeholders, the team, and the development process within the organization. A product owner is an essential part of the Scrum team. They are responsible for managing the product backlog and prioritize the requirement list for the development team. In addition, the product owner represents the customers to the development team to explain the features included in the upcoming product release. Hope by now you are aware of definition of Scrum Product Owner. Now let us look at their responsibilities. Defining product visualization. It's the responsibility of the product owner to communicate and collaborate with the stakeholders to understand their requirements thoroughly. So, it's inevitable for them to translate their vision to the team, talk back to the stakeholders regarding the same, and provide an in-depth understanding of the project outcome. Every individual in the group should stay in the same phase for the effective accomplishment of the project. Handling product backlog. The primary concern of the product owner is to manage the product backlog and prioritize them based on the business objectives. The product backlog list isn't static, instead, it's dynamic. It is a live document based on evolving project requirements. Since the product backlog change recurrently, it is the product owner's responsibility to create a list, accessible to the stakeholders, including developers, to ensure improved performance. Requirement prioritization. Prioritizing your requirements is essential to deliver the maximum outcome and achieve goals and mission. The scope of the project, timeline, and budget should be prioritized according to the requirements. There are assorted tools available to assist the product owners in accomplishing the task. The product owner backlog must be prioritized to the sprint planning method. Supervising the development stages. With the product priorities, strategy, and vision set in place, the product owner has to spend a significant amount of time in supervising product development. They are considered as the key players through every phase of the event. It includes planning phase till product delivery. During the planning phase, the product owner works with stakeholders jointly to develop the steps required for the next iteration. They also work with the team to identify the process, areas for improvement, and sprint process. Understanding the client requirements. An accomplished product owner will thoroughly understand the client's requirements to manage the development process more effectively. In addition, the product owner must be capable of understanding market competition and the pain points of the user as well. Considering the above aspects, the product owner can quickly determine all the essential features to be implemented, related to time and priority. After understanding about Scrum product owner responsibilities, it is quite evident that there is quite challenging. Therefore, if you happen to take up such a role, it is advised to take up Certified Scrum Product Owner Certification. When we come across the word CSPO Certification, the very first question that comes to our mind is, what's the need to take up this course? So, here let us understand what are the reasons to take up this course. CSPO course is mainly designed for the professionals who want to work on the business perspective of projects. The CSPO certification will help you deliver a high-quality product, lead Scrum teams, and coordinate with the stakeholders. You will gain a comprehensive understanding of project vision, product backlog, and tips to maximize the product value created by the development team. Attaining the CSPO certification process validates your capability to fulfill customer requirements on time and maximize return on investment successfully. This slide provides a thorough understanding of benefits of getting CSPO certification. Becoming a Certified Scrum Product Owner Certified has quite a lot of benefits. Let's take a look at it. Define product backlog. A product backlog is a to-do list for the development team to function efficiently, and it has to be clearly defined. It is essential for sprint planning and product development. A certified Scrum product owner is solely accountable for defining the product backlog. The training makes the candidates understand product backlog with real-time examples. Prioritize product backlog items. It is the product owner's sole responsibility to prioritize the product backlog items for the successive sprint. Product backlog prioritization merely does not help the business and to improve the product value, it also enhances product owners' reputation for their decision-making capability in the entire process. In this relate, CSPO training provides clear clarity to candidates about product backlog management. They will also be trained to turn themes and epics into user stories. Take up advanced certifications. The CSPO certification is a basic level certification to take up advanced level product owner certifications. Taking up CSPO certification is the first step to become a certified Scrum professional and rise in your career ladder. Learn from basics. Aspiring candidates who are interested in learning product development using Scrum can take CSPO certification. The course provides a thorough understanding of the product owner's roles and responsibilities, Agile Manifesto, and its impact on Scrum. CSPO certification versus academic qualification. Candidates who do not possess higher qualifications can also take CSPO certification, which holds equal weightage, unlike academic qualifications. This certification provides better job opportunities than non-certified ones. Job in reputed organizations. Having CSPO certification assures the employers that candidate is a skilled Scrum product owner with ample knowledge of product owner roles and responsibilities. Your resume stands out amongst the crowd of potential employers and increases your chances of getting placed in reputed organizations and leveraging the organization's benefit. Improved professional network. Irrespective of domain, building a professional network is essential, as it increases the chances of getting job referrals, and professionals can discuss their issues. Successful completion of CSPO certification provides 2 years of membership from Scrum Alliance. This membership helps you join various social groups and access to member-only resources. If you are planning to take up CSPO certification, here we have a detailed guide on the CSPO certification process. CSPO certification process involves a series of steps to become a certified professional. These steps will help you to become a certified Scrum product owner and showcase your in-demand skills and knowledge to your employers. The first step to become a certified Scrum product owner is to enroll with any reputed institute accredited with Scrum Alliance. Next step is, it's mandatory to attend a 2-day training course delivered by certified Scrum trainers. The objective of the training is to teach the Scrum concept and help you earn a CSPO certificate. Go through CSPO Learning Objectives, Scrum Guide, and Agile Manifesto. These topics will help you in understanding the concepts faster. Upon completing the course, you will have to accept the license agreement from Scrum Alliance and complete your profile. There is no CSPO certification exam. Scrum Alliance will email you the corresponding link to download the CSPO certificate. Maintain your CSPO credential by earning SEUs and renewing it every 2 years by paying $100. Hope you are clear with the CSPO certification process. Now, let's see which group of professionals are eligible to take up this course. CSPO certification is beneficial for job roles such as Product Manager, Product Owner, Quality Assurance Professionals, Team Lead, Business Analysts, Team Architect. In addition to these professionals, those who are interested to take up business side of the projects would be also suitable person to take up CSPO certification. CSPO certification from Scrum Alliance is valid for a duration of 2 years. And the certification provides you access to renewable 2 years membership with Scrum Alliance by paying $100. Well, with Agile quickly becoming the standard practice, and Scrum framework being most popular and widely followed Agile methodology worldwide, the demand for product owners is skyrocketing. Also, the demand for CSPO professionals continues to increase, and Fortune 500 companies like SAP, Amdocs, Cisco, Dell, HP, etc. are continually hiring CSPO professionals. Well, that sounds appealing, right? This graph explains you about salary of a certified Scrum Product Owner across the globe. This graph provides details of a certified Scrum Product Owner salary based on their years of experience. If all the above discussed aspects about certified Scrum Product Owner have made you pursue a career in Scrum, then Invensis Learning has all the essential tools and techniques to upskill your knowledge in the domain. Now, let's see what are the benefits of taking up the course with Invensis Learning. Interactive instructor-led certification training programs, accredited by respective governing bodies or in line with their guidelines. Lifetime access to learning management system. Access to live classes, assignments, and industry-driven case studies. Highly qualified, certified, and accredited trainers. Gaining a CSPO certification opens up various opportunities, and can increase your remuneration as well. Invensis Learning provides CSPO certification training, which is accredited by Scrum Alliance. Accelerate your journey in Agile project management domain. This brings us to the end of this, How to Become a Certified Scrum Product Owner, video. We have covered all the basics that you should be aware of, if you are planning to become a certified Scrum Product Owner. Hope you are clear with all that has been shared with you in this video. Being a great product owner is not so easy. It is important for one to understand the requirements of the role before actually assuming it. However, a product owner is an integral part of Agile projects, and will go a long way in accelerating the velocity of the project, and achieving the goals well within the deadlines. Being a certified Scrum Product Owner is a satisfying job. If you get a certification, it will add an extra line to your curriculum, which will catch the eye of recruiters. Besides that, it's a learning journey, and you'll only understand the traits of the job by experience. So, what are you waiting for? Enroll, get your CSPO certification today at Invensis Learning and step up your career in the world of Scrum. For more updates on trending technologies, subscribe to Invensis Learning YouTube channel. Also, if you have any queries, share them with us in the comments section. Have a successful career ahead.